Day Sai Kids.
10 lines essay about Cuckoo. Cuckoo is well known as the laziest and beautiful songbird all over the world. It is a greyish bird with a medium-sized slender body. It has a long tail, strong legs and long narrow wings. It mostly lives in bushes and trees. It is insectivorous, which eats insects, worms, caterpillars, fruits and etc. A female cuckoo lays its eggs in the nest of other birds. Those birds then raise the cuckoo chick as their own and feed it. This cuckoo egg has a thicker and stronger shell. Baby birds require huge amounts of protein-rich food to grow quickly and healthily. The baby cuckoo hatches much faster than other bird eggs. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.